easiest way to do shearing?
So basically what we're going to do is use this shearing elastic, okay? But instead of doing it in the usual way where you wind it onto the bobbin, we're going to actually sew over the elastic and then draw it up later on. The trick here is to place the elastic under the foot. So I've got the elastic in the centre of the foot on the machine. We've selected a normal zigzag with a zigzag width of around 2.5 to 3 millimetres and a stitch length of around 1.5 to 2 millimetres depending on your machine. And we let the elastic lie in your lap there. We'll check that the elastic's in the centre of the foot. You need to just position it so it zigs and zags over the elastic. And do your first row. You want to do a double row, turn the work round, just do a few stitches and off we go again. Stop. Now I've got 2 strands of elastic. And you can, the beauty about this technique is you can make it as densely shirred or as lightly shirred as you require. So that's about right. All you need to do once you've got it sheared to your required effect is tie a nice neat little granny knot. There we are. How about that?